Welcome to our video presentation on the 7 habits of highly respected people. In this video, we will explore the habits that have made some of the most respected people in the world stand out from the rest. These are the habits that have made them successful in their personal and professional lives, and that have helped them earn the admiration and respect of their peers. Make sure to watch this video to the end so you don't miss anything. So let's get started. Whether you are a student, a professional, or an entrepreneur, these habits can help you achieve your goals and become a respected figure in your field. Habit number 1, be proactive. Habit 1 of highly respected people is to be proactive. Being proactive means taking responsibility for your actions and taking control of your life. Instead of reacting to situations, proactive people anticipate and plan ahead and take action to create positive outcomes. They do not wait for opportunities to come their way, but instead create their own opportunities. Proactive people are also not afraid to take risks and step out of their comfort zones, as they understand that growth and success require taking action and pushing past limitations. By practicing this habit, you can become more in control of your life, achieve your goals, and gain the respect of others who admire your proactive approach to life. Habit number 2, begin with the end in mind. Habit 2 of highly respected people is to begin with the end in mind. This means having a clear vision of what you want to achieve in your personal and professional life, and creating a plan to make it happen. By having a clear end goal in mind, you can make more informed decisions, prioritize your tasks, and focus your energy on what truly matters. Beginning with the end in mind allows you to create a roadmap that guides you towards success and helps you stay motivated during challenging times. It is also important to regularly review and adjust your plan as necessary to ensure that you remain on track towards achieving your goals. By practicing this habit, you can become more intentional in your actions, increase your productivity, and earn the respect of others who recognize your focused and purposeful approach to life. Habit number 3, put first things first. Habit 3 of highly respected people is to put first things first. This means prioritizing your tasks based on their importance and urgency, and focusing your energy on completing the most important tasks first. By doing so, you ensure that you are always working towards your goals and making progress, rather than getting distracted by trivial matters. Putting first things first also requires discipline and the ability to say no to distractions that do not align with your goals. Highly respected people understand that time is a precious commodity, and they use it wisely to achieve their desired outcomes. By practicing this habit, you can become more productive and efficient, and ultimately achieve greater success in your personal and professional life. You will earn the respect of others who recognize your commitment to staying focused and achieving your goals. Habit number 4, think win-win. Habit 4 of highly respected people is to think win-win. This means seeking mutually beneficial solutions in all your interactions, rather than trying to achieve your goals at the expense of others. Highly respected people understand that success is not a zero-sum game, and that there is always a way to create positive outcomes for everyone involved. By adopting a win-win mindset, you can build stronger relationships, increase collaboration, and ultimately achieve greater success than if you were to pursue your goals in isolation. Thinking win-win also requires empathy and the ability to understand the needs and perspectives of others, which can lead to more creative and innovative solutions to problems. By practicing this habit, you can become a more effective and respected leader, as people will appreciate your willingness to seek win-win outcomes that benefit everyone involved. Habit number 5, seek first to understand, then to be understood. The 5th habit of highly respected people is to seek first to understand, then to be understood. They listen to others with empathy and try to understand their perspective before presenting their own. They communicate effectively and seek to create a shared understanding with those they interact with. Habit number 6, synergize. Habit 6 of highly respected people is to synergize. This means working collaboratively with others to create solutions that are greater than the sum of their parts. Synergy is all about combining the strengths, skills, and ideas of different people to create something truly innovative and effective. Highly respected people understand that no one person has all the answers, and that diverse perspectives can lead to more creative and innovative solutions. By synergizing with others, you can tap into the collective wisdom of your team and achieve greater success than if you were working alone. Synergizing also requires trust, respect, and open-mindedness, as well as the ability to communicate effectively and work towards a common goal. By practicing this habit, you can become a more effective and respected leader and earn the admiration of others who recognize your ability to create collaborative and impactful solutions. Habit number 7. Sharpen the saw. Habit 7 of highly respected people is to sharpen the saw. This means taking care of yourself physically, mentally, and emotionally so that you can perform at your best and achieve your goals. Highly respected people understand that self-care is not a luxury, but a necessity, and that neglecting your well-being can lead to burnout, stress, and poor performance. Sharpening the saw involves activities such as exercise, meditation, learning, and spending time with loved ones that help you recharge and rejuvenate. By prioritizing self-care, you can increase your productivity, creativity, and overall well-being, which can lead to greater success in all areas of your life. This habit also requires discipline and the ability to set boundaries so that you can make time for self-care even during busy times. By practicing this habit, you can become a more resilient and respected person who inspires others to prioritize their own well-being. These are the 7 habits of highly respected people. By following these habits, you can become a respected figure in your personal and professional life. These habits require discipline and dedication, but the rewards are worth it. You will achieve your goals, create meaningful relationships, and earn the respect of your peers. So, start practicing these habits today and become the best version of yourself. Thank you for watching this video, and we hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more advice. See you in the next video.